Hi, today we're going to talk about the very elusive cat eye. This goes out to my baby sister who's been begging me to do this video for quite some time. The things that we're going to use today is we're going to need a liquid liner. I just have the liquid liner from Victoria's Secrets. I need some gel eyeliner. I'm using the Jet Black Mary Kay gel eyeliner. And the final kind of tools that you'll need a pencil brush to apply your gel liners. First thing that you're going to do is take your liquid liner and you're going to apply 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, up to the angle of your cat eye that you want to have. A lot of times the difficulty with a cat eye is getting the sides to be the same. Applying the 3 dots on the side of your eye and kind of then connecting those dots helps make sure that you stay balanced in your look. So let's go ahead and get started. 1, 2, 3, just like that. You can go ahead and connect that line. Now we're going to do the other side. And I'm just going to balance on this side with my other finger. 1, 2, 3. And still you can see that they're still just a teensy bit off. But since I can see that they're off and I'm not have completed my entire eyes yet, it's not a big deal to fix. And just keep kind of filling them out with that liquid liner. I prefer the liquid in this step simply because it dries really quickly, so you don't have to worry about smudging or anything like that. Okay, so once you have the kind of angles that you want, and I feel like I do, okay, now we're going to go ahead and apply our gel liner across the top of our lash line. And the way you're going to do that, you're going to take your pencil or your pixie brush, and you're just going to dip just a little bit of the tip inside of your gel. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and slant it back and put on your liner as if you were just doing it with a pencil. See that angle, okay? So at this point, what you want to do is start building it into your bottom one. You're going to take what's called an angled brush, and because this is a very buildable gel, it does harden, but it doesn't like dry quickly. So it's not going to run and smudge down your face, but you're able to then manipulate it still. So I don't really care for the angle of this one here. I feel like it's a little too sharp, so the way that I'm going to fix that is by smudging it into the other area. And there is a very deep set cat eye. To me, it's just so defined and so large. I want to soften it up a little bit. And here's how we're going to do that. We're going to take just a very simple, this guy, $2, Big Lots. Makeup doesn't have to be expensive. So we're going to take our blender brush, which is just it's like a teeny tiny powder brush. And we're going to take that and put it into this color here. And we're just going to blend that top part of our cat eye with this dark color. This kind of charcoaly, sparkly color, to soften up that edge just a little bit. The great thing about a cat eye is it makes your eyes look bigger, but you don't want to look, I mean, I'm past the prime, past the age where I can be kind of gothic. So I don't want it to look overdone, but you know, sexy and pretty, not scary. So again, just kind of gonna smudge out that really sharp line. And now, same brush, I'm just going to add just a pop of shine, just because I love it. Now we're going to do more blending. So we're going to switch brushes. Just get a little bit of an edge brush and go to town. Everything that I've used in this video will be down at the bottom of the notes, but remember, when you're doing your cat eye, start off with the 3 dots. It's okay. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe and visit my website. Everything that I have here today through Mary Kay, you can purchase directly from me or through your personal Mary Kay shopper. Thanks. Bye.